Hey there, Henry here. Let me ask you something. Why are you considering making money online right now? Maybe you're looking for some extra cash, a side hustle to make things easier, or perhaps you're tired of the 9-to-5 grind and dreaming of something new, one with limitless potential to grow. Or maybe you're thinking about the future, wanting to create a passive income stream to support you in retirement. Whatever your reason is, you're not alone. More people than ever are turning to online marketing, and today I want to show you how you can do it in a way that's smart, effective, and built for real success. We'll be covering why it's crucial to pick the right niche, how to leverage hot trends, and what you need to know to build the knowledge and habits for long-term success. Let's talk about how to build the right foundation that will not only allow you to make money quickly, but also sustain your growth over time. First, let's talk about niches. You've probably heard the saying, the riches are in the niches. But why does this matter so much? And how can it propel you forward faster? There are certain niches that consistently perform well. Digital marketing, online education, and of course AI tools. These are niches where people are hungry for solutions. People want to learn how to make money online, how to start their own business, or how to use new technology to improve their lives. When you focus on a niche like this, you're not just selling a product. You're providing a solution to a very real need that millions of people have right now. For example, online education is booming. People want knowledge, and they want to learn skills that can change their lives. When you align yourself with a hot niche, you automatically have access to a large audience that's actively searching for the solutions you offer. Now let's talk about trends. Trends are what keep industries fresh and exciting. They bring momentum. And when you ride the wave of a hot trend, you get to benefit from that momentum. Right now, one of the hottest trends is AI. Artificial intelligence is changing the game in almost every industry. And marketing is no exception. Imagine combining the power of AI with digital marketing. AI tools can help you automate tedious tasks, find the right audience, and create content effortlessly. Leveraging trends like this means you're not just a part of the market. You're at the cutting edge, ahead of many others still trying to catch up. Think about it. If you could combine the power of digital marketing with AI, you're setting yourself up with a winning combination that makes everything more efficient and scalable. Okay, let's talk about making money, because that's ultimately why we're here, right? One of the biggest reasons people struggle in online marketing is because they don't understand how compensation plans work, or they don't pick the right opportunities. If you're looking to make real money, you need to understand the different types of compensation structures out there, like direct pay, recurring commissions, low-ticket sales, and high-ticket sales. For example, direct pay allows you to earn money quickly, often paid immediately after a sale. This is great for generating cash flow. Recurring commissions, on the other hand, help you build a stable, reliable income month after month. This is key if you're looking for sustainability. Low-ticket sales give you quicker sales, especially when just getting started. Some of these low-ticket sales are recurring, which can grow over time. And then there's high-ticket sales. These are products or services that come with higher price tags, meaning bigger commissions. A few high-ticket sales can make a big impact on your income. The ideal system combines all these types, so you're earning quickly, consistently, and also have opportunities for big payouts. Now, let's talk about why knowledge and habits are so crucial. In the beginning, it's easy to get caught up in the hype of making quick cash, but long-term success depends on building a strong foundation. This means dedicating time each day to learn and take action. Marketing is about consistency. You have to show up every day. It doesn't have to take more than a couple of hours, but those hours need to be focused on activities that move the needle-generating traffic, following up with leads, creating content that brings value, and expanding your knowledge base. The good news is that once you build these habits, they can apply to anything. Once you know how to generate leads, convert those leads, and provide real value, you can market almost anything. Your knowledge becomes an asset that you can take into any niche you are passionate about. And finally, let's tie this all together. When you combine a hot niche, trending technology, and the right habits, you need a proven system that helps you put it all into action. Having a system that's done for you, but also teaches you how to market effectively, is key to fast results and sustainable success. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. Imagine having a step-by-step roadmap, done-for-you marketing funnels, AI tools that automate tasks, and access to an education platform, all while being able to earn through various compensation plans. You'd be saving time, energy, and resources while maximizing your potential to earn. What's great about getting involved in a hot niche or leveraging a trend is that it makes everything easier. If you're riding a wave that's already growing, you're setting yourself up to move faster and with less resistance. So, as you think about your next steps in online marketing, ask yourself, are you tapping into the right niches and trends? Do you have a solid plan that includes multiple income streams, direct pay, recurring, and high-ticket opportunities? Are you building the daily habits that lead to long-term success? If you answered no to any of these, then it's time to get serious about finding a system that helps you achieve all this and more. A system that leverages digital education, AI, and the best compensation structures. One that saves you from the overwhelm of trying to piece it all together yourself. If you're ready to get started or want to learn more, scroll down below and click on the Go to Next Video button, because this could be the opportunity you've been waiting for.